Oh, today's cooking is completed, isn't it? Nah, not yet. The magical ingredient is yet to be added. Magical ingredient looks like normal coriander leaves, isn't it? Yes, these are the same coriander leaves which we bring in home along with all the vegetables, and we didn't know what the benefits were. If you knew it, I'm happy for you. If you didn't, please watch the video till the end, because in Ayurveda it is specially mentioned, and in Indian culture it is almost added in all our foods, right? So, coriander helps keep our kidney in good condition. These are diuretic in nature, something which increases urine flow, also called as water pills. They help detox our body from heavy metals, excess sodium, etc. They treat wounds and mouth ulcers. They prevent anemia, reduce skin inflammation. They also help in improving memory and brain health. So till now, if you were thinking it is just some ingredients sprinkled upon all the foods to make it look better or taste better, these were just some benefits. It is amazing for your health, especially your gut health. So continue adding it and do comment and let me know how you like this video. Do not forget to share it with your friends who need to know this. Good day, people.